In this video I'm going to show you how to turn a 2-lane piece of Scalextric Sport track into a 1-lane piece of Scalextric track. The tools you need, obviously the 2-lane piece of track. You'll need a block of wood or a piece of plywood like I'm using just to cut against. You'll need a file, I'm using a flat file, a Dremel with a cutting disc, a craft knife with a new blade, and a pair of goggles. Right, so the first thing you need to do is cut through these sort of bracing webs here. I'm going to use the Dremel for this. I'll put my goggles on and I'm going to use the inside lane, so I'm going to cut off the outside lane. This is a radius 2 piece of track. So I'm just going to cut through on the outside. There we go. Get the fingers away. Right, you can see that I've cut through all the webs, so now all I need to do is score through it with the knife. Right, so I've got my knife here. Now the key thing to do is remember to keep the blade nice and tight up against this web. That'll keep the blade straight and it will give you a nice clean cut. So first cut, obviously keep your fingers well away. Don't push down too hard. You're just making a track for the next piece to follow, but you just follow the line, follow the arc of the web. And then the next one round should just follow that, and then you can apply a lot more pressure to help it cut through. Probably going to take, on a straight piece of track it takes about 4, but on these curved pieces where you can't really push so easily, it's going to take me probably 6 or 7 cuts. Here we go again. Quite soft, the Scalextric plastic. It's starting to bite, so I can hear it cutting through into the plywood. I'll turn it around, go the other way. There we go, cut through. So here we are on my Scalextric track. What I want to do is run the pit lane around the outside of here. I've got my bits of cut track, so I'll just show you how it all goes together. I'm using the cut edge to the outside. What I've actually done with this one, I've just slightly enlarged the little gap there because it didn't go together terribly well. So I've just made it slightly bigger so that it goes together okay. That one's in there. That one's in there. Really nicely. And the 2 corners, one there, and one there. There we go.